In this video, I will show you how to fix use Messenger to keep chatting problem. When you go to your Chrome browser and tap on Facebook message option, this notification is visible. So how to fix this? Tap on three dot from the top right corner. Now see the desktop site. Turn on desktop site. Now see your desktop mode is enabled on your mobile browser. From here, tap on message option, and now you can enable to chat your friends or anyone. In this way, you can fix chat on mobile browser are not available problem, or fix use Messenger to keep chatting problem.